Hey everyone, welcome back to YouTube, home of the NAB Doctor. In today's video, we're going to have a look at the new look 2019 Apple AirPods. So first, let's have a look at the packet. So we got just our slightly embossed AirPods on the front there. Flick to the back. I got the one which is the standard charging case, so just the lightning port charger. No wireless charging with the Qi charger for this one. On top, we've just got the AirPods, Apple logo, and another one on the other side. Let's get into this thing. For that, we need a knife. Alright, so we've got the AirPods. Let's see if we can get them out. Alright, so first in, we have our thing of information booklets. Looking good. Alright, let's get into it. The moment we've all been waiting for. The new 2019 Apple AirPods. Alright, set them aside for the minute and we'll have a look here what's underneath the box. So we open this up. We can see inside we have been given an extra lightning cord to charge this. I'm guessing this is going to be about 1 meter long, just the standard length Apple lightning cord, which will come in handy when charging. Right into the bottom of your AirPods case, and will also be very useful for any of your other Apple devices that use the lightning port. Alright, let's get into the AirPods. Look at this. Apple AirPods, nice glisten there on the gloss case. You can see the lightning charging port. The button here on the back to pair with any of your Android devices. Now these new versions of the AirPods do come with the feature of the new H1 chip over the old model which had the W1 chip. Alright, let's get inside. Should hopefully, now when we click open the case, see the new AirPods. We can see the light indicating there saying it's ready to pair. Wonderful. Inside, they're magnetically attached. Have a look at the AirPods themselves. So quite a similar size to your normal EarPods. Nice and shiny. Microphones there at the bottom. Well, these actually look really good. Alrighty, we'll pop them back into the charging case. This is the thing that lots of people like on the cases, that snappy component of the magnetic lid. Now let's pop them back in. And that is the new AirPods Second Generation for us to explore and use with our iOS devices. So here we have my iPad Pro, which we're going to try and connect the AirPods to. So it's easy, it's a simple flip open with the case, and the AirPods animation will come up on your screen. Unlock to connect. Connect. Bob's your uncle. Take you through the setup phase to set up Siri. and all your other settings with your AirPods. Gets them ready to go, ready to play your music. Easy as pie. I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the bell to get a notification when my next video comes out. Nav Doctor out.